Get ready for an exciting journey into the future of smartphones with the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. As leaks and whispers continue to circulate, the buzz around this upcoming flagship device is nothing short of electric. With its official unveiling just around the corner, tech enthusiasts everywhere are eager to see how Samsung plans to outdo itself once again. Let's explore what makes the Galaxy S25 Ultra a contender for the most advanced smartphone of 2025. At the heart of the Galaxy S25 Ultra lies the powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, designed to handle the most demanding tasks effortlessly. This processor promises to deliver blazing speed and remarkable efficiency, ensuring that everything from multitasking to gaming runs seamlessly. Alongside this impressive chipset, the display technology is set to captivate users. The Galaxy S25 Ultra features a dynamic, low-temperature polycrystalline oxide AMOLED 2X screen, offering a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, high dynamic range 10 plus compatibility, and a peak brightness of 2600 nits. These features combine to create an incredibly vivid and immersive visual experience, perfect for streaming or gaming. Storage and memory options on the Galaxy S25 Ultra cater to every user's needs. The base model offers a solid 12 GB of random access memory and 256 GB of internal storage, while the premium version ramps this up to 16 GB of RAM and a hopping 1 TB of storage. This ensures plenty of space for all your apps, media, and files. The design is sleek and refined with dimensions of 162.8 by 77.6 by 8.2 millimeters and a weight of 219 grams, making it lighter and more compact than its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Charging is another area where the Galaxy S25 Ultra excels. The device is expected to support 45 watts of wired charging and 25 watts of wireless charging through both Qi2 and Power Matters Alliance standards. This means quicker charging times and the convenience of keeping your device powered up with minimal downtime. For photography lovers, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to be a game changer. The main camera boasts an impressive 200-megapixel sensor with an aperture of f/1.7, promising breathtakingly detailed photos. Additionally, there's a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom, a 50-megapixel periscope lens with 5 times optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with an aperture of f/2.0. On the front, a 12-megapixel camera with an aperture of f/2.2 ensures stunning selfies. These features collectively make the Galaxy S25 Ultra a versatile photography tool, ready to capture any moment with clarity and precision. Battery life is robust, with a 5,000 mAh battery providing ample power for extended use. The device also supports 4.5 watts of reverse wireless charging, allowing you to charge other compatible devices on the go. The build quality is top-notch, featuring a titanium frame and Corning Gorilla Armor glass for enhanced durability. The device is expected to have an in-rest protection rating of IP68, meaning it will offer strong resistance to water and dust, perfect for those who need a phone that can withstand various environments. On the software front, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to launch with Android 15 paired with Samsung's One UI 7. This combination promises a smooth, user-friendly experience with a host of new features and improvements. Samsung's advancements in artificial intelligence are expected to enhance various aspects of the phone, from photography to daily usability, making the Galaxy S25 Ultra not just powerful, but smart. As the countdown to its official release continues, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a trailblazer in the smartphone world. With its cutting-edge specs and features, the real test will be how well these translate into everyday use. Could this be the device that sets new benchmarks for what a smartphone can achieve? Only time will tell. Thank you for joining this exploration of the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you found this look into the future exciting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with all the latest tech news. See you in the next video. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year. and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with a 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3M production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery-smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5,000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, We're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.